Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to subscribe to Disney Plus in Canada step by step. This process is quick, simple, and only takes a few minutes to complete. If you want to get started right away, the official Disney Plus sign-up link will be available in the video description and also in the pinned comment below. Sometimes there may be updated discounts, special offers, or limited time promotions available through that link. So make sure to check it out before subscribing. To begin, open the official Disney Plus website using the link provided. Once you're on the home page, click on Sign Up or Get Started to continue. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password for your new Disney Plus account. After creating your account, choose the subscription plan that works best for you. Depending on the current offers available in Canada, you may see different pricing options and streaming packages. Take a moment to review the details carefully before moving forward. Once you're ready, enter your payment information and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. After your subscription becomes active, you'll instantly get access to thousands of movies and TV shows, including Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, National Geographic, and much more. This tutorial is specifically made for viewers in Canada who want to subscribe to Disney Plus quickly and easily. And remember, the official sign-up link is available in the description and pinned comment below, where you may also find updated deals, discounts, or limited time promotions depending on availability. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future streaming tutorials, tech guides, and step-by-step videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy Disney Plus in Canada.